So guys, to make this wig, you'll be needing a bouncing kinky attachment. So this is 60 inches. This is very long, like it's very long, but I needed something longer too. So grab any hair you want to use and let's start work. Okay, get the section of hair you'll be needing. This is the section that will be okay for the size of hair I want. Go ahead and split it into two. Then I'm using this chair. It supports me. So put on the kinky hair like so. Attach another one. Extend the length by attaching another one to it like so. Very easy. This is the easiest part here. Okay, attach it and then it starts twisting. Okay, now while twisting, make sure you stretch as I'm doing now. Stretch to have that bouncing kinky so that your braid will not be stiff, so it will have that bouncy look. You get stretch while twisting, stretch while twisting, and that's it. That is just it. That's easy. Okay, if you want a detailed video on how to make this kinky braid, I have a video already, so you can just, I'll leave the link in my description box. But it's simple. Just twist, 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 twist. That's simple. Go ahead and twist, twist, and twist, and twist. La 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 la. At the end of the hair, coil it like so, and that is it. Then use your hand and run through the hair like so, and sharp sharp, you're done with your twist. Can you see how bouncy it is? It's not stiff, it's not strong, it's so soft and bouncy, and that is what we are looking at. All right. Secondly, you'll be needing a scarf. Grab a scarf of your choice. This is a leftover from the material I made, so I'll be using it as my scarf. Okay, so go ahead and turn it this way. um yep, turn it this way and make it look like a scarf, like, like this. Yeah, the section is as if that's a section. Place it as if you want to tie a scarf on your head, don't you? Yep, place it like so, and we're gonna go and sew it round. Sew it round. Sew it round, right? Right, right. No, before sewing it round, we'll be attaching this first. Okay, get a mesh net like so and put it in the middle of the scarf like this, and then take it down a bit, like 1 inch, or one, just take it in a bit like this, as you can see, and then flip over and take it to your sewing machine, or you can use your hand and then sew the net down on your scarf. Now I'm using a T-pin to secure the net before sewing it down, so that it's some of why I'm sewing it down. Okay, yep.
Oh, girl, I wanna be with you, but you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you. I never know, say you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love. Girl, you never know you gon' gossip. Man, them so far to find your love.
So yeah, so it's round like I said before, and open it up, don't sew together, open it up this way, and then sew it around. So it's round. Yep, attach it to the scarf, and here we are. I'm just sewing it down. This is how you should look. Remember, you don't sew it down together, you sew it down differently like so, and that part is done. So next thing we'll be doing is to turn the scarf the wrong side. Okay, yep, turn it this way. This is the wrong side, this is the back side of the scarf. Turn it to the back side of your scarf. Yep, and then take it to your sewing machine and sew it round. You get, yep. While sewing around, leave a bit of space that you use to turn it around while you're done sewing. You get, I'll explain later. So guys, I'm done sewing, and this is it. This is the space, so I'm gonna use this very space and turn it over. Yep, turn it, turn it, turn it. Yeah, yep. Yep, 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 yep. Turn it, turn it, turn it over. Okay, this is just for you to have a clean scarf. Yep, after turning it over, this is what it should look like. Okay, as you can see, this will be the inside of my scarf, and then this will be the outside, so that when I tie it, you will not even know it's a scarf wig it gets. So remember this opening, I'm gonna go back and sew it close, then come back and start work. Now it's a very simple wig. I don't want this video to be too long. Attach your crochet hair on the scarf like so. So guys, as you can see, the center part, there's no hair on the center part. That's what gives it that smooth transition, you know. If you crochet hair on the center part, it will be very bulky. Okay, just crochet hair around like this. Make a curve on the scarf and crochet hair around like so. Very easy. I'm not using a crochet, I'm even using my hand. You can use your hand if you don't have a crochet. If you have a crochet, use a crochet. This is the fastest wig I've made so far. Okay, so guys, the quantity of hair you put on your scarf depends on what you want. If you want a very full hair, you put much hair, but I just want something very simple and very easy, you know. So guys, we're done with the wig, and this is how it should look like. As you can see, there's no sign of sewing anywhere. Everything is clean and styled very properly. So that is just the wig for you. Very easy and simple to make. So guys, this is how it looks on me. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and support your girl. I will be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye.